Because we were discussing this off stage before we came in here, because you said that I think I lost 10 years of my life in those 18 years because that period was so stressful working on the vaccine. So I would like you to speak on that. I would like you to tell us about that period.
I mean, many factors. Number one, our employees. Number two, can we deliver this vaccine? Because the country at a prestige point of view. And can we do a good science where Western world should not criticize that we are not less science as a country. That is another important, because...
And you've proved it to them now. You've
proved
it.
Many media people ask question, oh, that is not peer reviewed, this is not published, that is not published. There's so many questions. But they don't ask other vaccine companies where they published anything. They don't ask, only they ask us because we are Indian vaccine. And that is the sad part of it. But anyhow, we've proven those things.
I'd just like to interject you because you're speaking on this. Do you think that kind of persecution is there as a pharma company, as a scientist, that you're making this in India? You feel that global persecution?
It is stressful for us because it's a global perspective. Why is it only Indian companies targeted but not other companies? When you have so much other adverse reaction, that has not been pointed out in this country. But even one small incident somewhere, and is pointed out, made in headline here in India. So I think we've been much more scrutinized than any other vaccine companies in the world.
And when the vaccine came, and then came the whole political attack on the vaccine, you want to speak on that?
I think, one thing I understood finally, 1.3 billion Indians, everyone is a politician in India. Everyone is a politician. So I think we have something in our blood, unfortunately, that political mind of everywhere. But what is important is, the accused, I didn't look at it because I'm not belong to any political party. I belong to science, that's all. And I'm looking at the country, where the country has to stand out. That's all I'm interested in. I was not bothered what they call and what they claim and all that. That shows their ignorance and their absolutely no idea what they're thinking.
I think I would like to speak to you about your interaction with the Prime Minister, because we've seen in COVID times how the Prime Minister has led from the front. And also he's been very involved in this whole vaccine journey that the country has undertaken. So would you like to tell us about your interactions with the Prime Minister vis-a-vis the development of the vaccine and when Covaxin finally came in?
So let me again, people don't interpret me that I belong to BJP and all that.
No. Of course, they all know it was a political attack, and it wasn't directed at you anyways.
I want to say professionally, my statement, very underline this professional statement. When a Prime Minister, when vaccine people talking about the regulatory was not even understood properly. What type of regulatory system we should put in and make it happen. But Prime Minister took the journey of visiting the vaccine companies. That has opened up. So as a leader, when they come to our plan, that wakes up the entire system in the country. So he made the system to wake up, whether foreign embassies, whether it is a regulatory system, whether health ministry, everything has been activated. Okay? So I think that's a sign of a leadership of showing that, yes, it has to be activated.